The following short video is an overview of OSHA Forms 300A and 301. Who is required to fill out OSHA reports? Establishments with 250 or more employees, or establishments with 20 to 249 employees that are in certain industries with historically high rates of occupational injuries and illnesses. Examples of such industries are as follows: construction, manufacturing, transportation, warehousing and storage, nurse care facilities, and utilities. As you can see on the screen here, we have converted OSHA's 301 form into a doForms form. This form now allows you to capture information at the time of the incident, as well as be able to go back and add some information that you might not have had at the time, such as the number of days an employee missed work due to that incident. You can also add data to your 301 form from the mobile or the portal at any time by simply retrieving the form by using the assigned case number. As 301 forms are being submitted and updated, doForms is automatically keeping a log of all the transactions that have happened. With doForms, you will receive an email once a month, which includes a spreadsheet designed by OSHA, but filled out automatically by doForms, which contains the OSHA 300 log and the 300A summary form. As you can see on the log page of the OSHA report, each individual row here is a submission that has come from the doForms form. So every time a new incident has been documented, before this report runs, it adds that data to this list. And then when you opened up your emailed report at the end of the month or the end of the year, you would see the list of all of the incidents that have occurred in that time span. Once you've looked over all of the individual incidents, you can jump to the summary form, and all that's left to do for your organization is to fill out the rest of your establishment information, as well as some other information that you might not have at the time on a monthly report, such as the annual average number of employees or the total hours worked by all employees of last year. Once you have all this information filled out, you can then print out this document and paste it up on your wall along with all the other OSHA requirement forms within your organization. For any additional information or any questions you might have, please contact your doForms representative.